here, let's take a look at our ingredients. Listen, we got red pepper chili flakes. Here, we got garlic powder, cornstarch, salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil. Listen, lemon juice, a little ground cumin. And then listen, when we eating wings, you know we gotta have ranch, right? And then here's the star, how we gonna make them. We're gonna make them today in this Philips Turbo Star air fryer. So with that being said, let's go ahead and just break right into it. Okay, first things first, you wanna get yourself a large bowl. And then in that large bowl, you wanna put your salt and pepper, your garlic salt, chili flakes, a little ground cumin, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil. Then listen, I'm gonna use my whisk, stir it all up. You want to like get it, you know, sort of like a paste or whatever. And then once you have it like that, then we're gonna take the chicken, which is right here. It's already been washed and patted dry. We're gonna take that, put that in there, and then we're gonna coat it. Then we're gonna toss it. After we toss it, then we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on it. And then we're getting ready to load this Philips Turbo Star air fryer. So with that being said, let's work. Okay, look, we're gonna start off with salt and pepper. Garlic salt. Chili flakes. Ground cumin. Lemon juice. Extra virgin olive oil. Now we take the whisk and we just work it in like this. And also, I like to put a little Parmesan cheese, just a little bit inside of here, but we're gonna put some on later. Now you could just sprinkle a little bit, just a little bit in here. That's enough. Now listen, if it's a little thick, you know, as you're trying to get your texture right, if it's a little thick, I'm gonna show you something. You can just add a little bit of lemon juice. Don't worry about it. You know, you might think it'd be a little, have that little tart taste or whatever, but we're just using this just to get it to be a little bit more liquefied, that's all. You know what I mean? Because listen, this is what we're gonna coat the wings with. And then we're gonna come back after we're done coating the wings. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese to the top of them and get them along. This right here is nice. I can smell it, I can tell you it's right. So then we just want to go ahead and take some pieces. Just go ahead and drop them in. Once you have all your wings inside, you know, in here, look, don't be afraid. Just go ahead and use your hands, you know, and just get them all coated up and get them ready to go. And then we're getting ready to put them in this air fryer. Boy, I wish you guys can smell it. Okay, look, now the next step, and this will be the last step before we put them into the air fryer. Look, we're getting ready to add, what you want to do is you want to sprinkle a little bit of this cornstarch on top, and then we're going to mix it. You want to get some of this cornstarch on all of the wings once you got it coated, and they'll be ready to go inside of the tray, and then it's air frying time. So just go ahead and start sprinkling a little bit here and there. Now we got to get our hands back in here. This right here is right. This is what you want to get, this type of consistency right here. And as you can see, it's all over there. The cornstarch is absorbed. You know, it's in the mix. It's nice. I can tell you this, when these come out of the air fryer, you guys are going to be in for a treat. Now myself, I like to sprinkle a little bit more Parmesan on here. You know what I mean? We just leave it like this. Don't have to be stirred up or nothing like that. You know what I mean? We're just gonna put a little bit like that. Now we're getting ready to put them into the air fryer. And then when they're done, when they come out of the air fryer, we're gonna put some more Parmesan cheese on there as they're hot. I get a lot of people that ask me, they say, so if I'm having a party and, you know, I want to do multiple wings, do I have to cook these, you know, in these such small batches? I want to let you guys know that I do it like this just for video purposes only. When I make wings for, you know, when my guests come over and we having like a little party and we doing that, what I do is I stack them. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on this video right here. In this recipe, I'm gonna stack them also. You just wanna let them get some air, you know? But this should answer all the questions like, hey, can I put a lot in there? Listen, this TurboStar, Philips TurboStar air fryer, man, I stand by it. So with that being said, we're finna just stack them like this. So now you guys can see they stacked. Now we go ahead and insert them. Power. I'm gonna go ahead and just hit that. Right now it says French fries frozen. We're gonna hit it again. All right, this is what it looks like. You know, when you take it out, it should look just like that. You can see the cheese has been melted. Okay, now listen, you're not gonna see where I had sprinkled the Parmesan cheese on top. You know what, I had stopped recording, but that's what it looks like. You know, just adding some, and then after that, you can go ahead and plate. And for me, I'm getting ready to take a thumbnail, and I'm gonna use my cutting board as a plate. Now tell me what you think. You talked about being proud of something. Listen, you make these, you follow these instructions and do it just the way that I showed you in this video. I promise you, when you put these out, you're talking about a showstopper, a conversation starter. This is it. I'm gonna show you one more time. Here we go. And listen, I don't wanna over talk it. Here they are, look at the color. You know what I mean? What I did was, I did sprinkle a little bit more Parmesan cheese on the top. You know what I mean?